Hello, welcome to Voyage Extraordinaire, where we bring the world to you. Today we're at the Le Royal Meridien, one of the finest hotels in all of Abu Dhabi. Let's go. So we are in the Le Royal Meridien of Abu Dhabi. This is a very beautiful hotel. It seems they still have Christmas decorations right now, and they even have a grand piano. On my left is the Japanese sushi buffet. And here on my right is the Cafe Palmer, where they have an exquisite breakfast in the morning. This hotel is considered one of the best 5-star hotels in the city, and it has an awesome view of the Corniche. Wow, look at that pool. The UAE has built many grand hotels, many grand monuments throughout Dubai and Abu Dhabi, and they've been building up Abu Dhabi. And this hotel has been here for a few years. And as you can see, those are the Sofitel towers right there. And right behind me is the Al Ain Palace Hotel, one of the oldest hotels in all of Abu Dhabi. And in front of me is Le Royal Meridien. This is very exciting. We're going to see Le Royal Meridien's rotating tower, also known as Stratos. We are finally on top of the Royal Meridian, with this rotating 360-degree restaurant, and you can see the entire city from here. Look at that legendary view of the Abu Dhabi skyline. You can see the World Trade Center towers in the distance. This waterfront is Abu Dhabi's iconic Corniche. Stratos is the city's one and only revolving restaurant, lounge bar and grill, promising an unmatched dining experience for food enthusiasts, cocktail connoisseurs, and those seeking an unforgettable night out. As you dine, immerse yourself in an ever-changing 360-degree panoramic view of the Arabian Gulf, providing a mesmerizing backdrop to your experience. Le Royal Meridien faces a waterfront promenade called the Corniche, where some of Abu Dhabi's most famous hotels, landmarks, and restaurants are located. This waterfront promenade is the center of activity in the city, famous among both locals and tourists alike. Abu Dhabi is the capital of the United Arab Emirates, and the story of this country is absolutely fascinating. And from what it has been, Abu Dhabi and Dubai has been, and what it is now, it is absolutely beautiful. From the desert to this, a 360 revolving restaurant, and as you can see, we're moving right now. The building in front of me is the ADNOC Gas headquarters, the largest oil company in the UAE. The UAE has been blessed with oil, which has helped them develop their economy. The UAE story is truly fascinating and inspiring. And the Sheikh of Dubai realized very early on that they would eventually run out of oil. So he invested this money wisely and developed Dubai into one of the world's leading tourist destinations, complete with a legendary airport, resorts, and even the world's tallest building. This magic is now coming to Abu Dhabi with projects like the Louvre, Guggenheim, and even a full cultural district. Most tourists come to Dubai, but we highly recommend exploring beautiful Abu Dhabi.